What's going on, YouTube? How y'all doing today? So I'm gonna do a quick little video before I put them on. I kind of cheated already, kind of unboxed it and took a look at it. But so with the 94 Prelude, like some of you guys know, I'm stripping it pretty much bare bones, deleting ABS, got rid of the AC, got rid of the power steering, everything, and ended up doing a little bit more than I thought I was gonna do to it. So as of right now, I am in the middle of doing the ABS delete. I got bench bleeding the master cylinder, master brake cylinder, and I just got the proportionate valve on there, ran, and I got to run all the stainless steel Valix racing lines, which I'll do a video on that. But I ended up building the motor a little bit more, and it's mostly just all bolt-ons, a little bit of internals, cams and cams, gears, stage 1 tuner cams, nothing crazy. So stock valve train for right now. Hopefully it holds up like it says it's supposed to. So I got to get it tuned, and I had stock motor mounts, and they're brand new stock motor mounts, but they were just a cheaper eBay one, and honestly the fitment wasn't that great on them. So I decided, I was like, well, you know what, I'm getting rid of the front motor mount because I'm putting the traction bar on there, and I kind of didn't want to have that wobble, you know what I mean, from the stock, the flex from the stock motor mounts too much. So I went with the Innovation motor mounts, and they are 75A polyurethane, and they're for the 92 to 96, and these things are actually really good. I got Hasport for my 93 I haven't put in yet, and those are phenomenal. I mean, those look amazing, great, and I actually have a video on there. If you go back for my 93 Prelude, you can see the video of me doing the unboxing for that. I just have not installed them yet. But these, for the price, I got them for 250 bucks, shipped to the door, brand new, and they're literally in a brown box. I took the paper out, and there's the part number for you if you guys need it, right there. Nothing too special. There wasn't any, like, you know, fancy stickers or instructions or anything like that with its motor mount. So I still think with a big company, it would be cool if they did do, like, even though most people know the instructions, just because of it helps for people for the first time, and it looks classy to me. I think it looks really well. I understand cuts down on cost a little bit, but honestly, throwing a sticker, throwing some instructions, throwing a thank you thing, I always think that's really awesome from companies when they do that. But the welds on here are really well done, and they even have the part number on the mount. And the polyurethane, I got the black polyurethane. I actually wanted to go with the red, but they didn't have any red in stock at the time, because the calipers are red on this car, and the valve cover I'm doing red, and just little things like that. So, but this is the transmission mount, and for you Prelude guys, I'm sure you know, it helps you get rid of that damn bracket that goes over, and then the mount bolts to the top, and that bracket's kind of always a pain in the ass how thick it is trying to pull the motor out. So what's really nice about this thing is you have a lot more room to actually get it in, bolt it in, or what I'm going to do, which is easier, is just wait to bolt it into after, but you can slide it right down through the transmission and get it over there and in place to bolt it in much easier. So I love the design of this transmission mount. This is really nice. They did a good job with it. And again, they're just wrapped in plastic here. Here you got the driver's side motor mount, and I walked over to the motor, which I'll show you guys. I did fitment, and fitment is really great on that. Again, I don't see the part number on this one. I'm assuming the part number that they have printed on the transmission mount is probably for the whole set. And we got the rear motor mount here. And the rear motor mount I have not done any fitment on. If it's as good as the other two, it should be perfect, but I'll let you guys know. Just because I have the old one bolted in right now, and I haven't taken it out yet. But yeah, so this looks amazing. For 250 bucks, it's a really good deal. I'm excited. I'll walk over and I'll show you the fitment on everything. Okay. So transmission mount, you guys can see it right here. Let me switch this around, or this will be a bitch for when I'm editing for the video. So look at that. Fitment is perfect. Just, I mean, right on, slips right on. No shitty kind of binding to the side, no problems there. Let's go with the driver's side mount. Now, again, I don't have the other bolt through the top there, but as you can see, bam, lines right up. And you even have a tad bit wiggle room just for adjustment, which I like. It slides right on, fits great. So again, like I said, the rear is still in there. I haven't taken that one out, but I'm assuming as well those fit, the rear is gonna fit no problem. So, but yeah, guys, just wanted to show that really quick. That's the Innovation mount, solid mount, 75A polyurethane rating motor mount kit, and yeah, 250 bucks shipped to the door, guys. So hopefully that helps if you guys are looking for a motor mount kit. That or Hasport. That's what I've found is still available.